Hi, I'm Austin. Super excited to be here. The last AI Tinkerers was my first, and I was like, oh, wow, I found my tribe. This is so great. I'm very thankful. So this talk is go-to-market for indie hackers. So that's kind of the direction I'm from. What's an indie hacker? This is a very disparate group. And the title doesn't work. Kind of bootstrap founders, hustlers, side project people, all kinds of madness. I've been indie for like 4 years. First company I started was really weird idea, virtual escape rooms for DevOps teams, so they could practice incident response. So that was great, and got to do like sales stuff and get inside companies and marketing stuff, and learned a lot about business. And shut that down, of course, because it didn't make any money. So another example right now, the general theme is like making a lot of stuff, trying a lot of ideas, failing a lot. Half my time right now is a platform for nonprofit journalism called Record Impact. I'm shipping a physical product, a deck of cards for writers, coming up soon. Just starting a project with a co-founder, Simple Repair Tracker. It just goes on and on. I don't know, doing wacky stuff. So how about this go-to-market business? I'll try and split us up into 3 groups. Marketing businessy people, engineers, and other. So how about a show of hands for people who are kind of marketing business type people? Right on, awesome. And then engineering. And then if you are like, I'm other, feel free to shout out what that is. I think it'd be interesting. But go-to-market's a huge topic, and there's all kinds of minutia and detail. And I love learning about business and marketing, but the term go-to-market was totally new to me because I haven't been in the enterprise space for a couple years and haven't done this in the enterprise space. What we're going to do in the short amount of time I have remaining is we're going to go from an idea to 4 landing pages so that we can get help finding out who's our ideal customer profile, find out from a creative director kind of like what speaks to those people, and then visually, so the biggest problem for indie hacker type people is distribution and marketing. We love building, but we might not know how to do go-to-market. So I'm going to be sharing some Claude code skills. And there's a great forum for AI Tinkerers Seattle, and I'll definitely share that information there too. But here's a QR code to make it a little easier. So let's kick things off. I have an idea to ICP, and I'm going to say I want to make a simple repair tracker for landlords. And so this is a Claude code skill. Who all here has installed one before? And who all here has written one? Great, so I'll really skim on this stuff, but Anthropic has some great docs. There are skills that help you write skills. Lots of good stuff. This Claude has come back and is starting to fill out some of the basic go-to-market information we need, kind of the one-liner and
1 minute.
1 minute? Oh my gosh, we have to go really fast. Okay. So what if we work with this prompt, it will suggest some ICPs like mom and pop who have 0 to 3 to 10 doors, and accidental landlord that has 1 or 2 doors, and it's using the language of these customers. So just to look at the idea to ICP skill is kind of has a workflow and is saying like if they don't know what they're building, we need to figure that out. If they don't know an ICP, we need to figure that out. And then once we have those, we can start to fill out like the value prop, beachhead selection, channel strategy, those kinds of things. So the next thing we can do. Time? Okay. I'm gonna just take 40 seconds to go real fast. There's a creative director skill that we can use that will give us 4 different directions. We can feed, so one observation writing these skills is I kind of feel like I'm uploading myself into the matrix, but thinking about that is kind of terrible because I don't actually get to go into the matrix. It's like our open claws or whatever that are installing all these skills that we have, and they're having the fun. But the good thing is we could be their shepherds, and we get to play with them, and they know karate. So chaining these workflows is great because you kind of prompt the prompt to prompt the prompt, and very quickly you can get a lot of iterations that can give you an idea of what direction do I want to go. And then you can iterate and back up and head back into earlier decisions and kind of rework things. So these 4 home pages are not cherry picked. They're the first take off of this chain of prompts. And half of them are from Nano Banana Pro and half of them are from ChatGPT. That is everything.